Microplastics are now being detected in nearly every part of the human body, from the brain to the liver and even in unborn fetuses. While the full extent of their health impact remains uncertain, scientists are increasingly concerned about the potential long-term risks these tiny particles pose. As research continues to uncover more about microplastics' effects, experts are already offering practical advice on how to limit exposure and reduce potential harm. Microplastics enter the body through food, water, and air, making complete avoidance nearly impossible. However, small changes in daily habits can significantly reduce intake. Scientists emphasize that one of the biggest sources of microplastic ingestion comes from plastic packaging, particularly single-use plastic bottles. Replacing plastic bottles with glass or stainless steel alternatives can dramatically cut down on exposure. Similarly, avoiding plastic food containers, especially when heating food in the microwave, is another crucial step, as heat increases the likelihood of plastic particles leaching into food. Switching to ceramic, glass, or stainless steel for storage and reheating can help minimize this risk. Tea drinkers may also want to reconsider their choice of tea bags. Many commercial brands use plastic-sealed tea bags, which release microplastics when steeped in hot water. Opting for loose-leaf tea or plastic-free biodegradable tea bags is a simple but effective way to cut down on ingestion. Filtering tap water can also make a difference, as some studies suggest that even municipal water supplies contain microplastics. High-quality water filters, particularly those with activated carbon, can remove many of these particles before they reach the body. Another major source of microplastic exposure is the air. Synthetic fabrics shed microplastics when washed and worn, contributing to both household dust and airborne particles. Choosing natural fibers like cotton, wool, or linen for clothing and bedding can reduce exposure. Additionally, using an air purifier and regularly vacuuming with a HEPA filter can help decrease indoor microplastic levels. While scientists are still investigating the exact health consequences of microplastic accumulation in the body, early findings suggest that these particles may contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and potential disruptions to the endocrine system. The fact that microplastics have been found in the brain and vital organs raises concerns about possible long-term neurological and metabolic effects. However, by taking proactive steps now, individuals can reduce their intake and potentially lower their risk of future health complications. Despite the growing presence of microplastics in the environment, there is reason for optimism. Awareness is increasing, leading to more research, improved filtration technologies, and policy changes aimed at reducing plastic pollution. More companies are moving towards sustainable packaging, and consumers are becoming more conscious of their choices. While avoiding microplastics entirely may not be realistic, taking small but meaningful actions, such as switching to glass bottles, using non-plastic food storage, and choosing natural fibers, can collectively make a significant impact. As scientific understanding deepens, these measures may prove essential in safeguarding long-term health.